Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Sollano and Frederick Rhine. This absolutely amazing Blitz game was played in the United States in 1977. Please note that the time control is 3 minutes for the whole game. Sollano had white pieces and he started with d4. Rhine played knight to f6, knight to c3, going for the Veresov opening, maybe. d5, bishop to g5, black to move, knight from b to d7, e6, and bishop to f5 are the three most played moves. Frederick Rhine played c5, attacking white center. Bishop takes on f6, e takes on f6, in order to develop his dark square bishop sooner. White to move, d takes on c5 was played. e3 is the most played move. For a reason, maybe. d takes on c5, and now d4, attacking the knight. Knight to e4, bishop to f5, attacking the knight. Knight to g3, attacking the bishop. This is a very interesting moment of the game. Bishop to g6 was expected. Frederick Rhine played bishop to c5. It is a blitz game and black blundered the bishop. Maybe. Knight takes on f5. The question is, did black really blunder the bishop, or he had something in mind? What do you think? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find bishop to b4 check? If you did, no, congratulations. After this move, white plays c3. After d takes on c3, then white plays queen takes queen on d8 check. And after king takes on d8, castling queenside check, and white is better. Back to our game. Play with the black pieces. Frederick Rhine played queen to a5 check, c3. If queen to d2, then bishop to b4, and after c3, d takes on c3, queen to e3 check, king to f8, castling queenside, knight to c6. If knight is saved, then queen takes on a2, and black is winning. Back to our game. After check we have c3, d takes on c3, b4, bishop takes on b4, queen to c2. Play with the white pieces was counting on this move. The pawn is now stuck. It is well known that queens are not the best blockaders. But in this case, it's working. Maybe. We have reached the most interesting position of the game. Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this amazing? Queen sacrifice. Queen takes on f5. Queen takes queen. Black to move and to checkmate in one. c2, checkmate. What a beauty. This is an art. No wonder that hundreds of millions of people around the world love playing chess. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.